Today we're going to a cat cafe, which looks really good. What I'm expecting is it to look amazing inside and to see tons of cats. Okay, let's go in.
What did you order?
I just got a cheese toast. Wait.
Go, Billy. Thank
Okay, so this, I think, is supposed to be a cat playground. Pitch black.
Pitch black.
Come on, let's see how. See, it's pitch black. So, this is the meat and cheese board. This is the cheese toasty. More pickle.
Looks good.
So I gave it a 9 out of 10 because it was really good, but there wasn't that many cans. There was food, there was like everything, like water games and stuff. So it was good. It had some good insulation from noise from out there. The cats felt amazing and they didn't bite. So I give this a 9 out of 10. Okay? Let's go.